Hey everyone, Yell at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tape. Now, I got some lists down here, so I want to make sure I don't mess up on how many and stuff. Alright, there are lots of different tapes that you need to stock up on. And they range from duct tape to Scotch tape to go with the wrapping paper we talked about 2 days ago, masking tape, painter's tape, electrical tape, bonding tapes. There's a bunch of different types of tapes. Oh, shipping tape for packages. So check your supplies, see what you have. See what you're going to need if suddenly you can't just run down to the store and get some. All right. So, and there's actually a lot of different ways to use tape that you don't think about, especially if you have kids and they're working on crafts. There will be a lot of different uses for different types of tapes for their crafts. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow more food. All right? Take care.